Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Apple Pay Cash over to your PayPal account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I have PayPal here on my iPhone. And of course, if you got any payment, let's pull up the wallet here. If you got a payment through your Apple Cash and you want to then transfer it into a PayPal balance, the easiest way to do it is directly in the PayPal app. So I'm going to hop out of here and open up the PayPal app. Now, at the very bottom, I'm going to choose send and request. Now, you can't just go to the normal process of hitting your PayPal balance and hit add money because it won't allow you to add in that Apple Cash. However, there's a cool workaround to be able to do that. So let's go back out of here and we're going to choose to send and request instead. Now, when we've done that, we can tap on those three dots at the very top right. And you can see send invoice. What we're going to do is we're going to send an invoice to ourselves that we're then going to pay using Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. So you can see I'm going to choose the send an invoice for $10 and then hit next here. And now I'm just going to choose to share this link, which will provide you the link that you can copy. So I'm going to hit copy. And now let's just hop out of here and open up a web browser. And I'm going to hit paste and go. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see, okay, here's Trevor Nace. The amount due is $10. And I can scroll down and I can choose to pay the $10. However, you can see now it pops up with Apple Pay as an option to be able to pay that. If I wanted to pay it directly through Apple Pay, I can tap on that and it will pop up with my various payment methods. You can always tap on the very top here if you have different payment methods or Apple Cash that you wanted to pay through that. You can always choose to pay through it on that instead of a debit card or credit card. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.